Hello guys, it's Crypto Geographic, and in today's video we'll talk about Phemex exchange, and I will show you step by step how to start your journey trading there, from opening your account into deposition and starting trading, and also the trade settings. So before starting, don't forget to leave us a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and let's get started. So guys, as we mentioned on the intro, in this video I will show you everything you need to know before starting your journey into crypto with Phemex exchange, wherever you're a pro trader or it's your first experience with trading. So as you can see here, we have the dashboard of the website. So the first thing you should do is create your account if you don't have one. So you will find the link to do it on the video description. Then you submit your info and you start. Then you should do the KYC after to confirm your identity, the same as the one on the details or info of the exchange. So here, as we can see guys, we have the homepage of the website. So I will review it quickly. So as you can see here, we have the most efficient crypto exchange. Here we have some events. If you want to deposit, I will show you also trade. Here we have the seize your next big trade. Here we have some crypto peers as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, TRX, Pepe, and Inge. Also the hot futures. Then we have the new listings on Phemex. So here we have the peers that are recently listed into this exchange, and here we have the on-chain crypto. As you can see here, they have a good hype. As you can see on the last 24 hour for the Amico, it has a change up of over than 600% up. So we could tell that it can be approximately x12 on profit just in one day. Here, as you can see, trade smart and earn more. We have the future trading. As you can see, over than 529 future pairs on the crypto. We have the total volume per 24 hour, it's $1.61 billion. Here also we have the spot with over than 623 crypto pairs. Here we have the trading volume per 24 hour are over than $669 million for the 623 pairs. We have also the trading strategy. It's a customizable trading system that empowers users to execute various automated trading strategy. We have over than 22K bought with a total value of $30 million. So for this trading bot, you will find it here on the head of the website. As you can see here, we have the trading bots and also other futures, and here we have the Phemex Lending protocol, one click instant browsing borrow with low rates and no extra rate without selling your crypto. So as you can see here, we have a supply APR of 1.49% and a total available liquidity of over than $25 million. So for this exchange Phemex for desktop or laptop user, you could just type on your browser phemex.com and you will be redirected to the official website. Or for phone users, Android or iOS, the application is available on App Store and also Google Play, so you could download it and start your journey there. So you could trade anywhere and anytime you want. As we can see here, we have the application homepage, or you could just scan the code here. Here we have some partners. Here we have the partners of University Paris, Dauphine, PSL for DeFi and cryptocurrency research. Here also the frequently asked question where you will find everything about Phemex is something I didn't notice on this video. And finally here we have the future where you will find everything from the social media products, service, the support company and info. And we'll go back here to see more sections. So here we have buy crypto, so you could buy crypto with the one click buy and sell. We have the fiat deposit with a 0 fee and the credit card deposit with a 0% fee, and also the P2P trading method, so you could exchange your currency into crypto in selling or buying. Also, here we have the market where we will find the market and the news, the futures as the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other futures where we could trade using a high leverage if you want to. We have also the trading bot and other things. Also, here we have also the spot. So you could buy crypto from the spot trading. As we mentioned before, we have over than 623 token available. You could buy it from there and then hold it if you want and swap it if you have a profit. There we have here the on-chain, the earn, the web3, where we have the PT zone, the Phemex soul pass, the learn, the promotion, and the actual event is the Halloween future trading festival. We could do another video about it if you want. Just let me know in the comment section. So now guys, after creating your account, we will move to the second step, is to do the deposit into your account. So this step is very easy. Just you should go here on deposit, then click, you should choose the method. So you could deposit via crypto directly, copy the address on whatever each network, Solana, B2B20, the TRC20, or any network are supported. Here we have also, if you don't have a crypto asset, there is also the debit card, the fiat deposit, and the one click buy as well. So from here we'll choose the deposit card here, and you could see that we have lots of coins as the USDT, the Bitcoin, the Tron, the Ethereum, and the USDC, where you could do our deposit. We select the network. Here we have over 30 network available. Then after that you should do the KYC also, and after that you could have your asset into your account. So as you can see, I have already my assets on my account, so I could go directly to trade. So we'll trade on the future today. We'll trade exactly on the Bitcoin, USDT, and I will show you how to open a trade easily and with all the details. So first thing, as you can see here, the minimum size is 11 USDT. Here we have the leverage. As we can see, we have a high leverage of 100x, but be careful because using a high leverage can cause a high loss as well. So we could go now. Here also we have the trade settings as the top check profit and stop loss as well. We could select from the market or the ROE percentage. As we can see here, we could click on the advanced, then we could select the ROE from here. And if you want to do a trade, just click on the size. You should choose the size. For example, you could type wherever which amount, or just use your balance with the percentage, and that's is all. So here we have the chart, the timeline, the coin info. You could go to their website, everything is included. So Phemex give you a full idea on each coin, wherever it's a futures or a spot or a meme coin, you will have anything about it. Here also we have the trade data and also the order book, where we could see the opening and the closed trade in each section. And guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question or inquiries about Phemex, let us me know in the comment section and I will answer, or we could do another video to explain this thing. So if you're watching channel, don't forget to let us a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and see you in the next video.